Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will introduce with you how to use a keyboard to debugging parameters. First, let me tell you some information. AC310 support a single line keyboard, double line keyboard, also LCD keyboard. So first, connect the keyboard with VFD. This time I'm using double line LED keyboard. If you want to run via keyboard, first set the run command channel to the keyboard. Set F01.01 to 0. Our default value is 0. Now we want to change the frequency. Just rotate the potentiometer to adjust the frequency. For example, we want to set the keyboard number setting frequency F01.09. Press the PRG key, then rotate the potentiometer clockwise and make it F01.09. After that, press OK. Now you can use the left shift or right shift button to adjust it like this. Then rotate the potentiometer clockwise and set the frequency value. Then press OK. Now we will see how to enter the C parameters group. Long press the PRG button. You will enter the C parameters group. Then press OK. For example, we want to check here the VFD software version C00.28. Rotate the potentiometer clockwise and make it C00.28. Then press OK. For external keyboard software version, check C02.62. If you want to use the jog reverse key, set F11.02 parameters. Here I set F11.02 to 1 and then press jog key to run the motor reverse, and here is the run key. If you want to stop the VFD, press stop. Here is the all parameter setting I used in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact with our technical team for assistance. Thanks for watching.